Yesterday, we talked about coordinate planes and the basics of geometry. Today, we'll be learning about four basic types of angles and what even are shapes. Well, to start off, our first angle is going to be called an acute angle. An acute angle typically has less than 90 degrees. For example, any degree from 0 to 89 degrees is considered an acute angle. This is what it normally would look like. Common acute angles that you may see are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 70 degrees. Now, our next type of angle is called a right angle. And a right angle has exactly 90 degrees and is marked by this square at the very bottom corner. Now, typically, there are two major shapes that have four of these, one including rectangles and the other including squares. Both of these shapes have four right angles. Now, our next type of angle is called an obtuse angle. And an obtuse angle has a degree of more than 90 degrees. Some common ones you may see are 120 degrees, 130 degrees, and 130 degrees. Those are typically the most common you'll see. Now, the last and final angle is called a straight angle. Now, this angle is seen on every type of straight line and has a degree of 180 degrees exactly. So next time you see a straight line, just know that that line has 180 degrees. Now, for our main question, what even are shapes? Well, a shape is something that can be drawn an infinite number of ways. There's no limit to how many shapes can be drawn. You can make your own unique shape. Like I could make something like this. This is the shape. Or I can make something like this. This is also a shape. Now, what's the similarity you find in these two shapes? I'll give you 3 seconds. That's right, they have no open spaces. They're completely closed. A shape can only have no open spaces. There's no open spaces ever. I mean, if I made something like this, would you consider this a shape? You shouldn't. Why? Because of this little open gap right here. This open gap makes this figure not a shape. The next thing that you need to make a shape is kind of just a way of making it. You know, you can make this however you want. You can make a shape however you want. It can have curves, it can have only straight lines, or it can just be completely curved, like a circle. There's no limit on what you can do to make a shape. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.